Alright guys, and running so Zacky's got the gauntlet bobble from today. 10 spots. Gotta go live. We are live. 6:09 p.m. 6:09 p.m. Grab a list. And we will drop that into random. We have 10 entries down on the top and on the bottom. Alright, we're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. Then we have a 9, we're going 9 times. Good luck, here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 times. Dice shows a 9. Next click, top spot wins. Good luck. And 9. Congrats to Justin, spot number 7. You are the winner. Get in touch with Zach and get your bobblehead. We are done. 6:10 p.m. We are done. We are done. 6:10 p.m. 6:10 p.m. Here is the verification code and the timestamp.